Using the park assist system inside of the Lincoln Corsair is a very straightforward process. So let me show you how it works. What we're going to do, right down the center stack, there's a little P button. You're going to push that P button and it's either navigate to parking or park assistance. We want park assistance, so we're going to go there. And you can either have the vehicle help you out with parallel parking, perpendicular parking, or parallel park out. So right now we're going to go and have it help us out with parallel parking first. And you can either use your left turn stick to go left or right. And that's going to dictate whether it's going to look on the left or the right-hand side as we go. So for this instance, I hope it picks this up, but I'm going to go for the right-hand side here. So all we're going to do, start driving forward, and it's going to scan as we go. So we've got to start driving, and then it should hopefully pick up this as a spot. Beautiful, like a glove. Next thing it wants us to do is release the steering wheel. So hands are off the wheel. Got to push the N button to put ourselves into neutral. And then you're going to take your foot off the brake. And all you're going to do is press and hold the P button that's down the center stack there. So the vehicle's going to start backing us up there. Oh, I hope this guy sees me. Perfect. Okay, good. Good. Like a glove. Ooh, this is beautiful. Look at this. Literally perfect. There's a little counter along the top of the screen there to let us know how far it is into the process that it's taking us right now. But it's pulling us forward a little bit. And then you can see the counter there, but it's going to start beeping because we're getting close, and then it'll stop for us. Didn't even beep. It just stopped for us. So it's that simple using the parallel parking system. And all it does, all we have to do is shift ourselves into neutral, hands off the steering wheel, and you're set to go. If you feel a little bit uncomfortable at any point during the process, you could hit the brake in order to stop it as well. You could technically take over, but the system works incredibly well. So next up, we're parallel parked, so we want it to help us out with parallel park out. Let's get it to help us on the left side. There's nothing too close to me behind, but I mean, if you were in a tighter space, it'd make it a lot easier. Or a lot more difficult, I should say, for the car. But because there's nobody behind me, it's going to be relatively easy. So all we're doing, we're just putting ourselves in neutral, foot off the brake, pressing and holding the P button. It's going to back me up. And the idea there is that I can then get out either on the left or the right side a little bit easier. So same idea, it's counting us down. Once we hit that max counter there, it's going to crank the steering wheel for me. And then it's saying we can now take control. So all you have to do, foot on the brake, you're going to hit drive, and all you're going to do with the wheel cranked, where the vehicle had it, you're going to drive yourself forward. So again, very straightforward, very simple. Love how easy that is. And then the next one, what we're going to do is let's look for perpendicular parking. So we're going to hit the little P button, park assist. We want it to help us out with perpendicular parking now. And on this one, let's get it to go onto the left side. Let's give it a challenge. All right, so there's a spot here that it can fit. Let's see if it recognizes it. Okay. Oh, it did. Oh, bugger. Okay. I didn't think it was going to pick that one up. All right, so same idea. I found the spot. Know what we have to do. Shifting it to neutral, foot off the brake, pressing and holding the little P button there, and the vehicle's going to do its thing. Very nice. Same idea. If you wanted to, you're not comfortable, you could keep your foot on the brake as well. But I mean, the vehicle is very smart from that perspective. Ooh, you are getting close, feller. But again, same idea. It's getting close, but it's still really nice. It's pulling us forward, and same idea. We've got our count timers going on there as well. And it's going to start backing me up now to get us into the spot. Look at this. Beautiful. Nice and balanced. Here we go. Boom. They're done. Finished. Parallel parking, perpendicular parking, parallel park out. This thing has a lot of different options that are available. But that's how you use Park Assist inside of the Lincoln Corsair.